Hello kids, welcome to Judgment TV. Let's learn the words. Start with letter G. G for goat. G for grapes. G for gate. G for giraffe. G for gorilla. G for goose. G for grass. G for glass. G for guitar. G for gift. G for girl. G for blouse. G for ghost. G for garden. G for glue. G for gas. G for gun. G for guest. G for gulf. G for God. G for grocery. G for ground. G for golf. G for gold. G for geography. G for globe. G for gallbladder. G for ginger. G for grandmother. G for grandfather. G for ginseng. G for gooseberry. G for granite. G for grenade. G for grinder. G for green vegetables. G for game. G for gem. G for goggles. G for gym. G for cormorant. G for galaxy. G for gum. G for groundnut. G for giggle. G for gecko. G for gramophone. G for grammar. G for group. G for genius. G for gene. G for goldfish. G for God. G for glitter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Judgment TV.